Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. How y'all doing? We're back here in California. Got to make sure the fireplace is looking good over there. You know, you got fireplace looking good, looking good. Good morning, good morning. Right now, looking at the Nasdaq here. What do we got? We traded last night. Made some money. Did it live. Right now, we're actually number 74 in the Tradeify Grand Cup. And what's funny is the team that I'm on, the no team is currently the number one, baby. No team. We number one. That's right. I don't know what this thing's doing over here. How's that look? Oof, even more yellow. Terrible white balance here. That's not good either. I don't know. I'm looking real yellow. I don't know why it's so yellowy. Why? Cool. It's kind of better. That's better. Now I look more pale. This, you know, my real true color. My true color, pale boy. All right, so like I said, overnight we're up $6,000. $6,000 in the Tradeify Cup right now, ranked 74 out of thousands. What a time to be alive. Just getting it going here. Update your dashboard. It says you're number 29 on number 37. What? What? Yeah, no. I'm still 20. Still 74 in the overall ranking. View the full leaderboard. Somebody's already up 23,000. This fucking guy. Like, what is this guy doing? What's he smoking? What's this guy doing? Up 23,000. That's fun. Look at literally the top 10 right now is already up. The market hasn't even opened yet. Oh, these tournaments are, it's just like they're almost impossible to like trade, you know, like a normal person, because everybody's gonna go crazy. There I am on the leaderboard, 6,000 right now. Number 74. If you go to the end, it looks like some people already. Let's see who's blowing up their account down there. See, we gotta find an influencer. We gotta find an influencer. Where's the influencers at? Who's already blown up their account? How are people up that much with just 2 contracts? I have no idea, to be honest. I think people are trading multiple things at one time, and just, yeah, that whole thing. So I'm on team no team. Team no team is the best team, and that's the one that I'm on, which is funny because I'm not even in the top 20 of that team. I'm number 29 on my team right now. Dude, no name team is popping. Yeah, after 5,000 you can trade 5 minis. So tomorrow I'll be able to trade 5 minis. I'm gonna try to go at least, I'm gonna try to get up to like $10,000. If I can get up to like $10,000, you know, that would be pretty nice. Someone said, I'm confused with market open. Can you explain it? Yeah, man. I'm explaining it. Listen. So this is the way it works, right? This is the way it works. This is the way it works. Why is that not resetting? Time change. Oh my God. Did we just pump or what? What the fuck was that? That's cool. Market just went straight up. Gotta love when that happens. Gotta love when that happens, don't you? Don't you just gotta love it? Some news, maybe? Big news. All right. It is 9 o'clock. Mega Money Mondays right now on the Nasdaq. Big pop up there on, I don't know if that was some news came out at 9 o'clock or what, or if people are just waking up. Market's getting started here. Had a big reversal last night off that 26,000 area, up there to the 220s now. YOLO. I'm from India. I can't understand market opening. Don't worry about it, bro. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about the market open. It's a fugazi. It's a fugazi. I wouldn't worry about it, honestly. Just forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it, chat. Just forget about it. All right, so far, Nasdaq, like I said, that big pop there, some news came out. I think we got the daylight savings right now. That's going to mess up some stuff. We had daylight savings in America, so I think this might be a little tricky today. I want to make this the 10:30 open. And then the 10:45 with the opening range now, so... Either way, it's gonna be fun to play. Either way. All right, so now, like I said, Nasdaq, we had a big sell-off there on Friday. We basically reversed that whole move so far here. overnight. So we will be opening up with a big gap below us. That 26,000 area is the close on Friday. So just keep that in mind. You know, something to think about. Something to think about. If you're thinking, you know, just in case you're thinking about it. Something to think about. Amazon inks $38 billion with OpenAI to supply NVIDIA chips. Like, what is that? What do you mean they have a deal to supply? So they're going to buy NVIDIA chips and then give them to OpenAI? What is going on around here, people? What are you telling me here? What are you telling me? I'm confused. I'm confused, chat. It don't make no sense. D-Money got the day off. No, D-Money will be live later on today. He'll be live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern for the D-Money show in the afternoon. I'm in California right now. We're racing. So just getting started here. Any deal with OpenAI means the stock will go up no matter what. Well, I mean, maybe, baby. Hey, PW, can I get a shout out? Oh, yeah, Clover Trades. Big shout out. Big shout out kind of guy, you know. Nothing I love more than giving a shout out in the morning. Hey, shout out. What camera am I using right now? It's a Sony camera. Any plans to go to Dakar racing? I don't know, man. Maybe. That's pretty random. All right, we're getting ready for market to open up here. Had a little bit of a pop. The ES, the Nasdaq, both kind of back up here tonight. So, well, last night, overnight. Got a bit of a gap, obviously, in both the ES and in the Nasdaq. Let's see what happens here today. Hourly chart, we broke out through all these wicks, looks like, with that news. And right now, Nasdaq trying to push up there as well. So let's see which way she goes. You know what they say, anything's possible when you dream big. We're dreaming big today, chat. Dreaming big. Do you use the open range to trade every day? I try to. Would be nice, you know, ideally. That's normally the goal, but sometimes it gets a little too crazy. We've got that high from Friday, the morning, overnight kind of morning high is up there at the 272s. So we'll see if the Nasdaq has more room to push here. Guys, why is the market opening late today? Well, it's because of the times. We had daylight savings or whatever happened on Saturday, so let's see what happens. Hey, Patrick, can I get a shout out? Carrie Caberga. That's a name right there. Caberga. Carrie Caberga. Why are you so calm today? I don't know, man. It's just relax. The fuck? Don't worry, I'm not going to be calm forever. It's still early. God, they ain't ever happy. Hey, Patrick, why are you calm? Patrick, why are you this? Patrick, why? Why do you trade the Nasdaq? Patrick, why are you in California? Where's D-Buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's like the fucking, like having a 5-year-old in the back of the car going, are we there yet? 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 Well, we got about 22 minutes till market opens here. What do we got for news today? Anybody got some news today? Economic calendar on onlyprofirms.com. Looks like we got a S&P Global Manufacturing PMI number, right? We got some PMI numbers, some stuff coming out there later on. Where's my thingamajiggy? There we go. You can scroll down here and see the numbers today. What we got. Looks like 9:15 actually some numbers coming out. And then 9:45 you got S&P Global Manufacturing PMI number. And then you got the car sales. And then ISM manufacturing. So 9:45, 10 o'clock. That's a decent amount of numbers. So we'll see how she how she rides or how she goes. Cotton Eye Joe type of thing. So bum, 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 bum. Right now Nasdaq popped up there, took out all that kind of resistance up there for now. And see what happens from here next. One minute bull flag. Having some trouble there. Stuck below that pivot point for now. Questionable. It's questionable. I'm Thurston, 69. Look at that. Patrick is calm today because he's the #1 day trader on YouTube. Well, thank you so much. You know, I do love compliments. You know, nothing I love more than a good compliment. So thanks for that, Thurston. Especially when you pay for a compliment. That's even nicer. That's even nicer of you. Let's go. Patrick, how do you feel about the market today? Well, I mean, we got news coming out. We got news coming out here at 9:45, and we've got 10 o'clock news as well, so should be fun. Where am I at on the leaderboard for the Tradeify tournament? I don't know. Let me look. Why don't you go look yourselves? The last time I checked, I was like number 74. We're up $6,230 there, but you never know what could happen next. This market's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. We got a lot of news here today as well, so. Where do you get your news updates? I mean, the only place that you should ever go and look, onlypropfirms.com. Onlypropfirms.com. Look at that beautiful face. Oh my Lord, he's beautiful. You can see today, November 3rd, we've got actually a little bit of news coming out here in 2 minutes. And then 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news, car sales, ISM manufacturing PMI number at 10 o'clock. And then 9:45 S&P global manufacturing news as well. So lots of stuff to look at here today. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Lots of fun, chat. Pat is the greatest person I have ever seen. Trump is jealous of Pat. Damn. Now that is a compliment. That's a presidential compliment. That is a presidential compliment. I like that. Somebody's trying to butter me up. Patrick, are you in Mexico or California? I'm in California right now. California. Man, now this thing's like too blue. Everything's just too blue now. It's a little better. That's a little better. There's a really sick view over there, but it's hard to show it with the light. So that's all I got. Got a fireplace over there. Look at my little fireplace. Ooh. When does the market open today? Opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Ocean or mountain view? It's a mountain. We're in the middle of the desert right now. We're in the middle of the desert right now, chat. What do you guys think? Up or down today? Up or down today? The $1 million question. Do we pump? Do we dump? What you guys got? What you guys got? What do we think? Pump or dump here at open? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, chat? What are we thinking? Pump or dumping? Pumping or dumping? We're going to drop. We're going to dump. We're going to pump. We're going to dump, pump, pump, dip, dump, pump, pump. Let's do a poll, actually. Pump or dump? I'm going to do the opposite of whatever the poll says. That's right. Whatever the thing says, I'm going to do the exact opposite. Because you guys are too good at trading. You're the best traders I've ever seen, so. Trades by LV. Sup, PW? Hope you're good, bro. Man, I'm doing real good, man. Life's good. Everything's good, man. We're chilling. We're living. Hard to complain. Hard to complain, man. All right, so looks like right now, kind of broke out. The overnight had a little pullback there, 8:30, pumped up here so far. Had some news come out with NVIDIA and Amazon and OpenAI. So the market right now pumping. She's pumping. Going for some liquidity, maybe. 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 I'm going to find out. Dude, Clover Trades, bro. You get the fuck out of here with your... Don't ask me for a shout out, you fucking weirdos. This is not... This ain't fucking, you know, America's fucking home videos. Hey man, I want a shout out. No, we're here to make money. You weirdo. Clover Trades. How many times? The guy asked 20 times for a shout out. I already shouted him out earlier, too. God. All right. We're getting ready here. Market to open up. Right now, Nasdaq squeezing back up. Squeezing back up here. Overnight, we took out the, well, we haven't taken out the low yet, but overnight, we kind of pulled back almost down there to fill that gap. The Sunday night gap would be that 26,000 area where we closed at there on Friday. Let's see what happens here next. Can they pump it before they dump it? Pump it. You got to pump it up. You know you pump it up. We got about 10 minutes here till market opens. Then we got news coming out, guys. We got news 9:45. We got news. We got 10 o'clock news as well. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's red news. News that's going to make your account go red. News for your account to go red. What's up, PW? How's the West Coast, fam? Oh yeah, we enjoying it. It's beautiful out here, man. It's beautiful out here. It's beautiful out here. What am I doing in California? We're going to be driving trophy trucks this week. We're going to be driving trophy trucks. Yeah, shout out to America. America once again winning the World series of baseball. I mean, you know, it's like, it's kind of like, you know, if we didn't win, it would be embarrassing. So shout out to the Dodgers for keeping it in America. Them Canadians got close, man. They got close. It got real close. Dude, Alex Spinu, our local retard of the day. Do I look tired? Really? Do I look tired? I don't think I look tired. I've been up. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. I worked out. I mean, I don't know. I think I look great. People are weird, man. The amount of full-grown men. The amount of full-grown men that are worried about how I look. So weird. I get that you're gay, but I'm not. I like women. So I'm sorry that I won't date you. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Alex. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry that I won't be your boyfriend. It's not my thing, man. Any tips for trading when there is no breakout from the 15-minute range? Just don't trade it. That's your best bet, honestly. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. If it ain't breaking out, don't trade it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, right now Nasdaq just pumping higher here. Pumping. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. So it's time. It's time for Mega Money Mondays. Is that background real? No. I'm in a basement right now. I'm in the closet. I'm poor. No real backgrounds here. Babe, I'm in the middle of your live stream. I don't give a fuck about your pretty fucking sunrise videos. What? Oh, very nice. Congratulations. Victoria sent me a video. She said, look at my video I filmed. I filmed the sunrise. Don't give about no fucking sunrise. Go fuck your sunrise. I'm trying to make money. When's Nutty Bar coming back? Supposedly in November or so, maybe. I guess it is November. He's actually going to be in Florida, so we'll try to get Nutty Bar down to the BDH when I get back from California. Jay the Great, $185 from being funded. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. D-Money will be live for Power Hour. Guys, listen. Listen, everybody. Listen, motherfuckers. Listen. Listen up. Listen up. Every day, I will be live 9:30 a.m. until 11 a.m. And then D-Money will be live from 1:30 p.m. till 4 o'clock. Every day. Every fucking day. Same shit, man. Every fucking day. Every fucking day. Every day, bro. It's every day, okay? No questions. Every day. Every fucking day. Unless D-Money dies, he's gonna be live. And unless I die, I'm gonna be live. And that's all we got. That's all I got for you, okay? Everybody get it? Everybody good? Everybody understand? Good. 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 We got it. We're figured it out now. Everybody can figure it out. Wow. Figure it out, chat. Just figure it out, okay? Everybody figure it out. Every day, okay? Every fucking day. 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 All right, we're getting ready here. Market open. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Do you only trade the Nasdaq? Yes. Oh my God. The questions. I only trade the Nasdaq. Yes, yes, yes. That's all I do. I just trade Nasdaq every fucking day, man. That's all I do, literally. I swear to God, it's crazy. I know it's crazy. I get it. People don't get it. They're like, what? You just trade the Nasdaq? That's all you do? Every day? Every day you just trade the Nasdaq? Do you have an indicator on TradeAvate as well, or just TradingView? Yeah, I'm just basically looking at TradingView. I don't look at any other indicators really. Day. All right, we're getting ready here for market open. Got about 30 seconds here. Let's see what happens. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. Let's go, baby. Let's make some money. Let's try to make a little bit of money. 15 seconds till market opens. 15 seconds. Right there at that pivot point, we got this high from earlier there, 260 area. So, well, let's see if she pumps. Oh, she's pumping. That girl pumping. She's pumping. Get up there through that 260 area. I mean, you got like 270s next, 270, 280 area after that. So we'll see if the bulls have enough steam to go higher. Can you take me higher? Gonna take me higher. Looking like she wants to push. It's got to keep going here. This 5-minute candle looking good right now to get through that high up there at the 260s. Boom. I like that. I like that. It's a good little move. Good little move there. Good little move up there to the 260s now, 261s. That 270 area is going to be your next level of resistance. Right, level of resistance there at the 274, 273 level. This needs to go, go, go. I took a little long there from the 44s up there into the 60s now. So now we just got to be patient, let it play out a little bit. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news coming up here. So let's see what happens from here. Do we keep pumping? We got the chat right now. 63% of the chat said pump and 37% said dump. So looks like the chat was right. The chat was right, man. They were right. The chat was right, man. How the chat gets so smart? How'd it get so smart? Y'all been watching my videos, clearly. Y'all been watching my videos, man. All right, so we're right here at all this resistance right here. So if you didn't get long right there at open, it's hard to just keep on getting long up here, but we've got like 275, 274 level to get through there possibly, and then see what happens from there next. Up there through the 60s again. Someone said the ES rejected hard. ES holding up there. They're around that 6,900 level now on the ES. Nasdaq getting tight here, pulling back. Trouble up there. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here. So be patient, chat. Be patient. You got the ES actually pulling back a little harder here right now. ES is back down there, that first 5-minute candle retracement there. So see what happens when this 9:45 news comes out. NQ wants to go up. Nasdaq wants to go down. That's what it looks like. And big shout out to Trade of 8 prop, working beautifully this weekend. 6 p.m. open, no problems. Trade of 8 prop, your go-to platform, the BDH Trade of 8 prop. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here now. See what happens when this news comes out in 10 minutes. We broke the 5-minute range to the downside here, so do we start to sell down here now? $1 million question, huh? Got a big gap filled to the downside down there, so anything's possible. She's selling. Taking a trade here, short below this 200 level to get down there to the 94s quickly. Come on, buddy. That's the 21 EMA on the Trade of 8 chart. Market's just kind of holding up here for now. Right there, the 200s again. There we go. Nice little short there from the 13s. 20 points. We took the long there earlier from the 44s to the 60s. Ayo. Ayo, give me some W's in the chat. Where the W's at? www.number1trader on YouTube. All right, now we just got to be patient. See what happens when this news comes out. 9:45, we got the opening range being set. We got the news coming out at 9:45, so just got to be patient. Just be patient. You want to make some money, you got to be patient. Look at this thing dumping right now. She's going downtown like Charlie Brown. There you go. Still moving lower. We got short there, and, well, obviously the market went lower. You got to love that when it happens like that. That's short from the 213s now. There it is down there to the 180s. I mean, this has room to go lower and lower. We had basically the 5-minute opening range. I got in a little bit late there, but that was the move that I was looking for to the downside there now. So we got news at 9:45. We got news at 10 o'clock. PMI numbers and fun stuff. So right now, Nasdaq just kind of bleeding back down here now. See what happens when this news comes out. Someone said the news is already out. What? Really? It already came out? I don't think so. ISM Global Manufacturing PMI number is what we're looking at. That's 9:45 news. And then the car sales and then ISM. OnlyProfitFirms.com for the news. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. I'm waking up early for you guys. I'm doing this live, live from the middle of the desert out here, just living. So let's see what happens here next. We got 5 minutes until this news comes out. 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. First 15-minute candle, we got a big wick. We had a wick. Resistance there from Friday. That was a big area of resistance, that 250, 260, 270 level up there. Right now, Nasdaq just kind of bleeding out here. ES is already kind of dumping. Look at the ES moving down here a little bit quicker to fill that gap. 6,874 is the ES gap. Well, Nasdaq's got a lot of room till the gap down there. So 26,000 flat would be the gap fill for the Nasdaq. So could we go that low? Maybe. ES looking clean. 5-minute candles, the 5-minute opening range, another big move down. So see what happens when this news comes out in 4 minutes, and then we got 10 o'clock news as well. Still going lower, man. Still going lower there. That short from the 213s looking really nice right now on the Nasdaq. Who took that short? We got the VWAP curling up here. 47.50 area. For the news, onlyprofitfirms.com, guys. We got all the news, the calendar on onlyprofitfirms.com. It's free. It's on there. You can check it out every day before the market opens. Banana. Let's see if that gap fill is possible here today. News out here in 1 minute. 1 minute till this news drops. Right there at the VWAP now. If we start to lose the VWAP, well, could start to move down here quickly. Yeah, the ES is moving down a lot stronger right now. You can see how the ES is moving down here already. You got 5 seconds left until this news comes out. Let's see if it moves the market here at all. A little bit, not much. All right, so we got our 15-minute range is now set. Right, 15-minute range is now set. Need to get a clear break of this VWAP. We got to get through that VWAP. If I can't be getting short right into the fucking VWAP right there. I know it's like, look, it's going down, 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 but just got to be a little bit more patient, or be patient. Wait for that better setup there. We're going to get a better setup. It's just, you got to be patient. Build out a bit of a bear flag here. Your mic is tweaking a bit. Nah, man. You got a deal going on below right now. Core Flex account for just $59. Use code PW. That's right. She's rolling. Can we get through there now? Got about, that's first minute on that 5-minute candle. Just like, I would like to get, you know, just a little bit more, maybe more, a little bit more pushback up here, but kind of like if it just goes right, the VWAP's right down here, basically. The VWAP's like right here at the 50s. You could maybe try to get short here and just put your stop up here, but let a better setup form. Let a better setup form. There's that little pushback up, which is, that's what we kind of want to see anyway, you know. If you want to be short, you want to kind of get that pushback up, because it's just going to give you a better entry and give you better risk reward. So NQ is stalling out. Looks like the ES kind of finding some support down there. There's a pivot point at the 878 level on the ES. Nasdaq's kind of stuck in that last 5-minute candle range. If we get close, I want to see what happens when we get closer when this 5-minute candle closes, how it looks. We're just like right there at the fucking VWAP. It's the only thing that sucks. Only thing that I don't like is like they were right there at that VWAP, right? Looks like gold is going to the moon again. Not looking too good right now. Right there at the VWAP though. Right there at the VWAP, man. Gold is going to the moon. Big pump on gold right now. Five-minute candle, not looking too hot right now. If we lose that VWAP there, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. There's that VWAP now. Trying to bounce. Trying to bounce there at the VWAP. We got the EMAs trying to cross here as well, so. She's still going lower though. Oh Lord. All right. We broke the 15-minute range to the downside. We got news coming out here at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news coming out. Things are happening. Things are happening. Things are happening. And they're happening quickly. Very quickly here. Straight through the VWAP down there to the 120, so the shorts getting paid. Shorts are getting paid. What's the ES doing? ES is breaking to the downside, almost filling the gap now. 874 is the gap fill on the ES. So the Nasdaq, a little bit of a push back up here now. Five-minute chart just not really giving us a good entry here. I took that short there earlier. That was the short. The 213s now. That's 100 points to the downside almost. You got to hold those trades longer, I guess. Just got to hold them, baby. You got to hold them, baby. What are you guys doing? Short or long? Who's short? Who's long in the chat? $1 million question. Who's short and who's longing? Who's longing but also shorting? Some shorts, a lot of longs, a lot of shorts. Who's long and who's shorting? We got longs, we got shorts. We got shorts and we got longs. Eric says he misses me. Well, I'm right here, Eric. I love you, bro. I'm here. Don't worry, Eric. I'm here. Look, I'm here. Come here. Come here. All right, Nasdaq, little pushback up here, so just kind of being patient, letting this 5-minute candle close. The 70% off Apex is 1 day to pass, correct. 1 day to pass. All right, right now we're stuck below the bottom of the opening range, right? We got that news coming out here at 10 o'clock. 6 minutes till the news. Sometimes the best thing to do is just to be patient, you know? Just be patient. Just be patient. PW, how many screens do you have over there? I've got 1, 2. 2 screens. 2 screens. 2 screens. 10 o'clock news coming out here. Yes, 10 o'clock news. All right, let's see what happens to this 5-minute candle here. It does not look very pretty right now. I want to be short. I want to be dick deep short right now, but need like another like. I want to see a wick, kind of like one of these wicks. Maybe we pop up into here again and then get denied, then go lower, kind of thing, you know. Jimmy said it's going much lower today. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, boy. Mucho el lower o. That's the best. That's what I like to hear. Go short at 152. Okay. Deal. All right, we got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes until this news. 10 o'clock news today. If you guys have not already checked out onlyprofirms.com for the news every day, we got it there for you. It's there, the news. It's free. You can check it out every day. ISM manufacturing news coming out in 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Also, if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me help you. It's free to like, it's free to subscribe. I do this every day live on YouTube. D-Money will be live later on today at 1:30 Eastern. He'll be holding it down live at the BDH. And well, obviously, I'm out here in the wherever I'm at, so. All right, we're kind of just stuck here below the VWAP for now. That news coming out here at 10, so should be good, man. Should be good. It's your website. It's free, yes. The THT. I had no idea that we could trade futures today. Why? PW, what is your thoughts on earnings? Do it affect Nasdaq? Wait, is that a real question? Is that a real question? Did you just ask a real question? What do I think about earnings? Does it affect the Nasdaq? Oh man, you know yeah, no, the earnings affect the Nas. The Nasdaq is just an index, right? You know that, right? Like the index, it's just an index. Like the Nasdaq is an index that follows, the top stocks. So like the futures contracts are based on the index. So yeah, the earnings are very important, guys. The earnings, they're very important. Yes, very important. All right, we got 2 minutes till this news comes out. 2 minutes. Two minutes to midnight. We got 2 minutes to midnight. Patrick, when you take a dump, does it affect the Nasdaq? Well, you know, sometimes it just depends. If I eat Chipotle, it'll definitely affect the Nasdaq. All right, here we go. 50 seconds until this news comes out. I would like to see, you know, some kind of pushback up here to get short, but let's just be patient. Focusing on the 5-minute chart here today. 40 seconds till the news. Till the news comes out. We do have a big gap fill to the downside, so there is that obviously hanging in the balance. The close, 26,000. 26,000 down there is the close from Friday. 20 seconds till this news drops. So far, it's been red, red, red. Red, red, red since market open. She's red, red, red. News came out. Not much of a mover here yet. Looking like a bear flag, though, huh? She'd be giving off them bear flag vibes. Getting real tight. I'm like, if we get below the 130s, do we sell down here? There's the dump. Oh, yeah, no, she's going. That happened quickly. That was a 20-point teleport. Market just teleported 20 points right there. You gotta love when that happens. Just old 20-point teleport. Little teleport. Everyone likes a little teleport. Little teleport. Just got you gotta love a little teleport, you know. It's a little teleport. All right, I think we probably lose that 100 level, right? I mean, 2600, 26,100 there seems like a pretty good place to break through. Seems like it. Someone said, what were the news results? Don't worry, man. It don't matter what the news was because you don't know how to read it either way. The same guy asking about the news results or the same guy asking about, does the Nasdaq get affected by earnings? Yes. Yes, it does. Very much. Very much. ES already filled the gap, by the way. ES filled the gap here. Nasdaq still has about 100 points to fill the gap. 100 points to fill the gap there on the Nasdaq, so we broke 15-minute range and now starting to move down here. Someone said Dan, he made his money. He's leaving while he's ahead. Never a bad idea. Never a bad idea, Dan. Make some money and then walk away, Betty. Make some money and then walk away, you know what I mean? Always a good play, good play. All right, we're looking to see if this Nasdaq's gonna make a move lower here. Right now, just kind of pushing back up into that 120 area from that little bit of support there earlier. We gotta get the market below this. Dumpity. Why are you looking so good today, Patrick? I mean, I just be looking like that, you know. I be beautiful, man. I wake up in the morning, I just be looking like this. This is how I roll out of bed. Be looking so beautiful. Beautiful. All right, Nasdaq, what you doing? Where you going? Playing hard to get right now. I think because the ES is holding up down there, keeping the Nasdaq alive, but we're below the VWAP here. The bears should be in control, right? In theory. In theory. $15-minute candle, still kind of looking good for that move down lower. Just stay below the 20s there. There we go, back below 20 again. Where are we going? I think we're going to break through this 26,100 level. Seems like a weird place for the market just to stop right here, right? I don't know. It just seems like a weird place to stop right here. Right? I mean, it just seems like a weird place. Anybody else agree? I think we should break the hundreds at least to go down 80s or 70s or a little bit more. Right? There's that 100 break. $26,100. What are you doing? You went in the sauna and the hot tub and the pool? I'm jealous. And you hiked? You did everything? Oh my God. Give me hugs. Come on, give me a hug. All right, come on, Nasdaq. Get down there, bad boy. Get down there. Through the hundreds now. She's going. I like what I'm seeing either way. Boot. I like that. I like that. All right, we got filled there on the short. These Lucid accounts right now, we're up $10,000 in these Lucid direct funded accounts. I like that. I like that. I like that. Give me a round of applause through the hundreds down there. We're also up right now $8,000 in the Tradeify competition account. So let's go. Put me on the leaderboard, baby. Put me on the leaderboard. Put me on the leaderboard. Dude, I gotta make more money somehow. Fucking assholes. These people are crazy. Everybody be making so much fucking money on the leaderboard. What the fuck? What the fuck? Look at this leaderboard right now. This guy's already up 26,000. What the fuck is he doing? 26,000. That don't even make sense. That don't even make sense. The question is, where I don't see any of the other influencers. They're not on the leaderboard. Only me. Team no team. Let's see where we at. Gotta wait for the update. Nice little pushback up here. We got below the hundreds there on the chart. I covered my shorts down there. Perfect timing. Sometimes you get lucky in life, right? Sometimes you just get lucky in life, man. Sometimes. If you've noticed, have you guys noticed anything on my chart? Look at my chart. I have only I'm only using the 5-minute chart. Someone said FSP is literally a YouTube influencer. Well, where is he on the leaderboard, idiot? What are you talking about? I'm talking about the leaderboard. What are you talking about? Literally, what are you talking about? Where is he? I don't see him on the leaderboard. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Yeah, so I switched basically to the 5-minute chart. For now on, I'm over the you know, I'm over that 1-minute chart life. 5-minute chart only. When I'm in a trade, if I get into a trade, I only look at the 5-minute chart. Did I change my EMA? No, it's still the same. It just looks a little different, maybe. The EMA, it's 21 EMA here is the indicator, the EMA that I'm using there. I mean, the problem is, you know, with the 1-minute chart, man, I just be like, you know, I'd be getting chopped up. Be trading stupid. So, I'm changing it up, man. Just 5-minute chart, all I need. 5-minute chart, you sometimes miss setups. Maybe. Maybe. But, I mean, I don't know. You got your EBT? Yeah, luckily, man, I won't be starving. I won't be starving because Trump, he hand delivered my my EBT card. That's right, hand delivered it. I mean, the whole theory, right, at the end of the day is I'm just trying to figure out, like, okay, if I'm in a trade, like if I'm looking at the 1-minute chart, you know, it just ends up like kind of these stupid candles, like this stupid stuff here, it just like gets you chopped out. Whereas like on the 5-minute chart, it's just like, hey, you know, if I'm short here and my stop is above the high of that previous 5-minute candle. So I don't know. I think that's the best play for me. It might not be for everybody, but I like it. Less trades, less stress. Amen, brother. Do I have the EBT card? Yes, it's platinum. Platinum EBT card, baby. It's pretty much like, you know, you can use it anywhere in the world. You know, actually, I had an idea, chat. While we wait for the market to push back up here and build out a bear flag, I had an idea. Are you ready for this? Let me talk about this for a minute. All right, let's talk about this. Are you ready? I think. All right. What if in America, the same way that you earn sky miles or loyalty points, you know, when you go places. You go to McDonald's, you get the loyalty points. You go to fucking Wendy's, you get the loyalty points. What if the IRS, what if the USA starts giving out loyalty points when you pay taxes? I'm just saying, this could be a thing. So everybody that pays over $1 million in taxes, you get special privileges. You get to drive on the fast lane. You get to drive over the speed limit. You know, you get You know, just a lot of benefits. You get a special jacket, you know. Wherever you go, people are like, damn, he pays $1 million in taxes. I'm just saying, why do we not have loyalty points for paying taxes? You know, I'm just saying. Honestly, though, think about that. You know, why? I don't, people that are mad that are saying, I don't know what I'm talking about. I mean, it's the truth. Let's reward people for paying taxes, right? Let's give back to the people who pay taxes. You know, hey, if you pay $1 million in taxes, there's no more speed limits. You get rid of the speed limit. You get to drive as fast as you want, you know? Someone said because you're required to. Well, I'm not required to do nothing. Nobody tells me how to live my life. All right, well, the Nasdaq got stuck there at the 5-minute chart pretty hard, huh? You think we go lower from here now? Let this 5-minute candle just, oh, look at this, just got denied up there at the VWAP, denied at those EMAs. Not looking too hot right now. We got the ES also selling down, so see if the Nasdaq will follow now. Someone said it's a retest on the 15-minute chart. Well, okay. Sounds good, buddy boy. Sounds good, little buddy. Bleed down to the pivot point. I like that. Pivot point down there at the 57s. Get through this 100 level next. Oh, buddy. There you go. Look at that. She's going. She's going. I'm going to take it right there to make... Oh, come on. Oh, come on. No. Oh, no, no. There we go. All right, we're up $9,000 now in the Tradeify Grand Cup. I will take it. I will take it, chat. Look at it, still dumping. Look at that 5-minute play. Ooh, 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 ooh. What? We made it. $9,000. That was an alarm. That was my profit alarm. PW, let it ride. Nah, man. Nah, man. Nah, man. I ain't doing it. I just want to be up $9,000 and oh, ooh, 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 woo, 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 woo. What? She scared me this morning by breaking the fucking coffee thing. So it's just payback. It's payback, baby. I'm top 50. Patrick Wieland, number 47. Hey, there's no other influencer in the top 100. There's no other influencer that's streaming live on YouTube in the top 100 of the leaderboard right now. What does that mean, chat? Does that mean I'm the best? Does that mean I'm the best? Does that mean I'm the best to ever do it? Possibly. 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 You know, maybe. Maybe. Just maybe I am. Maybe I'm the best to ever do it. I'm the best that ever was. I mean, this person, whatever they're doing, they're not doing. They're doing something. There's no way he's up 26,000 on just trading 2 contracts. No fucking way. That's impossible. What about Rocket Scooter? I don't know. They're not on the leaderboard. What do y'all? I don't see him on the leaderboard. His team is, but he's not. I don't know where he is, man. Why does everybody look at that? No team. Number 1, baby. That's the best team. No team. Patrick Wieland team. If you're going to trade on a team, be on no team. Number 16 on no team right now. Yeah, where's Kane at? Not anywhere on the leaderboard, duh. If you trade ICT, you're not going to be on the leaderboard. That's guaranteed. Guaranteed, chat. Guaranteed. All right, right now, Nasdaq just kind of chopping around down here. Like I said, taking that profit below the hundreds for now. And just being patient. Is PW beating all the gurus? I mean, come on. Was it even a question? Did anybody even want to question it that I would beat all the gurus? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Never gonna happen. Yeah. I'm in the top 50, baby. Top 50, top 50, top 50, top 50. Still going higher, or still going lower. All right, we're just sitting back here. Sitting back here, kind of being patient. Up big on the day already, no reason to really force anything. Just playing it easy, man. Where we at? 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 I mean, I'm up $9,000 in the Tradeify tournament right now. I feel like I could just walk away for the day and then come back, hit it again tomorrow. People are gonna blow up. PW, Tradeify rule says you can increase to 5K, 5 contracts after 5K. Yeah, well, you can't do it until, I think, tomorrow. Until the account closes for the day. Like, see, like right now, I can only put on 2 contracts. So I think I have to wait until tomorrow, and then we go for that. So took a nice little short there from the 213s, covered most of it. Well, covered one, added again there, covered all of it down here. So let's go. Yeah, you'll have to wait till the end of the day to be able to put on 5 contracts. End of day, 5 contracts. It won't be right now. It'll be at the end of the day, so. Oh, buddy, we're moving up the leaderboard. Right now, we're ranked 13th. 13th on the no-name team. No name, no name, no name. Where are we at now? Where are we at now? Number 37. We're moving up, boys. We're in the top 50. I'm the only influencer in the top 50 right now. When did you start trading Tradeify again? Well, just for this tournament, just so I can show the world that I'm the biggest and the best to ever do it. We the biggest, we the largest. You can see right now, up $9,000. Can you make 10,000? Maybe. Maybe. Nutty Bar, I'm not gonna be on your team. Nuh-uh, because look right now, the funny part about this whole thing is the fact that the no-name team is winning. All the influencers had all their people sign up, and literally the team with no name is winning. All right, Nasdaq looking like she might want to sell down here some more. Through this 80 level, could start to move down to fill the gap, huh? It's kind of giving off those vibes. Anybody thinking that? Anybody? Kind of giving those vibes, man. Right there, pivot point. We got a pivot point at the 55s. 55 pivot point down there. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, let's go. This market is bleeding out right now. Bleeding. We got a bleeder. She won't stop. She can't stop. Man, it's so much nicer. The 5-minute chart is so much nicer to trade. Honestly, like getting rid of all the bullshit and just focusing on the 5-minute chart. It's so much easier. So much cleaner. Yeah, the ES is really selling off here. Nasdaq back down there to the pivot point. The grass is greener on the 5-minute chart. That's the truth. That's some truth right there, boys. Look at this thing dumping now. Oh, my Lord. We got a dumper. Oh, buddy. She's still going lower. Look at this thing. We got a dumper. Right through the pivot point there. We got the gap fill all the way down there at 26,000s. Why are you changing that now? I mean, just because. I want less stress, more relaxation, you know? That's all. What's wrong with having a little bit of less stress, you know? Don't you want me to live longer, be happier, you know? Don't you want that for me, chat? Don't you want me to be happier? You know, don't you want me to be happier, chat? Like, I can be happier if I trade on the 5-minute chart. True story. Very true. No one believes me, but it's true. All right, right there at that pivot point now. We just keep on rolling down through there. Yes, D-Money taught me how to trade. I don't think it had anything to do with D-Money. I think, fuck, look at this thing. Still going lower. That's 40 points from the 80s now. Straight down. What a time. What is my time on the VWAP? It's anchor period, session, source, high and low. Yeah. That's all I got. Damn, Junior. She's still going lower. Overnight low down there at the 16s. We got a bleeder. It's an absolute bleeder, boys. Shit is bleeding. Yeah, I think, well, fucking A. How are we not going to go to that 1920 area now? Right? I got to go pee. I do have to go pee. Nasdaq just kind of bleeding out here. We're from the 80s down there to the 40s. Got 15 seconds left on that 5-minute candle now to close. The ES is really going. ES is almost down there to the Friday low now. So ES is leading the way right now. Nasdaq really should start to follow this. Get down there to try to fill that gap, 26,000 next. Yeah, really good setup with the orb today. 5-minute chart right here. We pushed back up. We tested the 15-minute orb. We moved down there now, so. Really nice setup there. We had the VWAP, we had the EMAs, everything lined up there for the shorts. Ooh. Man. I took some more shorts down here in my Tradeify tournament account. So now on the day right now, we're up $10,000 in this account. We've also been trading in our Lucid accounts as well, up $2,400 times 5 accounts. So, yeah, man, she's bleeding. That short this morning from the 213 area, you could still be fucking short here. That's 200 points basically now. See that? Like, I really want to get to a point, honestly, chat, where like I want to be able to get short here and then just let it fucking ride. You know, look at that. From the 213s now, that's 200 points. And the way that I would play this is I would not cover until we get back above the 21 EMA. Or we get like a close above it. So. When you let it ride, it doesn't ride. But when you don't let it ride, it rides. That's truth. So Patrick doesn't call out his trades till they're over. I mean, I have been literally calling out all morning. The market's going to go lower. I mean, you know. I mean. Nina said, no, you didn't. What are you talking about? Is this microphone working? Does the microphone work? Does the microphone work? Hello? 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 Microphone? Hello? 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 You don't want VWAP on your chart? I got it on my chart. That white line's a VWAP. Sorry, I was tuned in the whole time and you randomly dropped your trade for the last candle. I mean, Nikki, I don't fucking know what you're doing, but okay. All right, chat. Sounds good. I want to teach y'all a little trick. All right. This is called a bear flag, right? When we break to the downside, I take the short for the move down. I make the move down. Also, the best thing too, this is the best thing too, right? Check this out. Here's your 15-minute range. Get rid of all the indicators, right? Let's just get rid of everything. Let's get rid of every indicator and figure this out. How could we possibly figure this out, chat? How would I ever know what to do without Patrick Wieland telling me exactly what to do? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Let's look at it, right? Check this out. All right, we look at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Here's our 15-minute candle, right? Market opens at 9:30. The candle closes at 9:45. Now, what do you think we should do if we break this 15-minute range? I don't know. Let's think about it. Well, we look for a short. There you go. I don't need to tell you anything. You just learn how to trade. Right there, my friends. You guys just learned how to trade. I just taught you everything that you need to do. I just gave you $1 million secret. I just literally told you exactly how to trade. So there you go. Now you should all be rich. Everyone in the chat should be rich. If you're not rich, you're doing something wrong. And also, if you don't know about this, go on TradingView, right? Go to scales and lines. Go to scales and lines, right? Listen, people. Go to your previous day close. Put the line on the chart, right? Line on the chart, previous day close. Well, there you go. That dotted line is the previous day close. So the way you should play this, very simply, is if we can't hold the 15-minute opening range, there's a very good chance that we then go where? We go to the previous day close. Also, the ES has been leading this whole move down. So you can see ES making new lows, breaking to the downside. The ES filled the gap and made the move down. So I mean, this is it, guys. Like, I don't need to tell you when to buy. I don't need to tell you when to sell. I don't need to do anything because you guys have just learned how to make money as a day trader. You don't need to buy a course. You don't need to do anything. Identify the opening range, 15 minutes. Look for a move down. Look for a retest. Take a trade. Everything has just been given to you. Everything has just been given. So, I give it to you. 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 Everybody wants to know how to get rich. And I'll just be like, I don't know, man. Trade the 15-minute opening range. PW, what is your life goal? Fuck, I mean, have fun, take chances, drive fast. I don't know. That's my life goal. Some people would say they want to change the world, but you can't change it. The world can't be changed. So just try to do what you can do, man. Just live a good life, be happy, help somebody when you can. And just, yeah, be Be the change that you want to see in the world. Be the change that you want to see in the world is the way to be happy, I think. Right, honey? They said, what's my goal in life? My goal is just to make a little bit of money, make a little bit of love. Can you stay up tonight? Oh, stay up tonight. Woo! Very gay thing to say. Hey, RT, I bet you're really gay too. So it takes one to know one, I guess. All right, Nasdaq just kind of pumping back up here now. Be patient. Let it do what it's going to do. Don't go short in the fucking bottom here. She's a ripper. Time to go long. Bounce at the same point as the overnight. Yeah, it did. It did. You're not wrong. PW, I'm your neighbor. That's cool. Just sent you an email, bro. Think you like that trader he was teaching on Wall Street in the 90s. Very similar to your style of trading. I think you'll like it. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to see it. I need help. I need help, clearly. Someone needs to teach me what to do. I need someone to help me. Please teach me how to make more money. Please teach me. Somebody help me. Help me. Please help me. Pretty strong pushback up here right now. Obviously we still are in a downtrend here. Doesn't mean that we're going to go all the way back to all-time highs. It's just kind of got a big wick on the top of that last hourly candle, big wick on the bottom of this hourly candle now. So could just be a big chop day now. Could be some big range. So PW, what you said about change is a quote by Gandhi. Bro, what? I quoted Gandhi? I quoted Gandhi? Little did I know. Look at that. Maybe I'm, you know, more, you know, godly than people think. What was the quote? I don't even know. Gandhi. Gandhi said something like, love thy friend as thy enemy. Yes. Exactly. You must love your friend like he's your enemy. Oh, there you go. About the world changing. Be the change that you want to see. Hey, you know, I might not always be, you know, I might not always say the right stuff. I might not always be everyone's favorite cup of tea. But, you know, I'm out here living, baby. That's all I can do. At the end of the day, that's all I can do, chat. I can only be living, you know. That's all I can do, man. It's just living. I'm just out here be living, you know. Like, just be out here living, man. Living life. Strong life living. I gotta go pee now. I gotta go pee. All right, I'm gonna go pee real quick. Oh my God. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. My thingy fell down. Or I'm going P. Market's going straight back up, so let's do it. All right, I guess the $1 million question now. Patrick, is there any account that gives instant funding? Yes. Lucid has direct funded accounts. So this is that first like real push back up, hitting that 21 EMA right now, or actually, this is the 9 EMA. 21 EMA got the VWAP up there. Mahi Prop MJ PW, I've watched you every day for the last 1.5 years. Thank you for reading my comment. Up $749. Damn, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. PW, what's your P&L today? $10,000 in the Tradeify Cup, and then we're up like $12,000 in the Lucid direct funded accounts. So we just be making a little bit of money. Just making a little bit of money. Yeah, I like this kind of rejection up there. What do we got? About 3 minutes left here on this candle. If we can reject here at the 80s and start to sell back down, this could be the good short setup. What's the NQ do? The ES right now pushed back up, got stuck as well. Free book map. Before becoming profitable 1 year ago, were you still making $20,000 a day with affiliate payouts? I don't know, man. I don't make no money. I lose money, okay? I don't make no money. I make no money. I make no money. I never made no money ever trading. I ain't never made no money. So I got a message from Steven Rosario. 100 points. Shorting this morning, you motherfucker. Let's go, you crazy son of a bitch. Steven Rosario, big shout out to my boy. Steven, look at this. Look at this trade he made. I met Steven at a car show a while back. Look at that. He got 100 points on that this morning. 100 points. The PW method. Ooh, it's nice. Ain't it nice when that happens? That's nice when you make a little bit of money. Just make a little bit of money. Just gotta make a little bit of money. Just gotta make a little bit of money. Well, Nasdaq back kind of down here again. The question is, I guess really, do we start to just roll over here again and get another 100-point move down? $1 million question, I guess. You know, sometimes you got to ask these questions. I like to ask a question before I enter a trade. I'm like, what could possibly happen here? Maybe we go down, maybe. 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 Maybe not. You never know. Dude, now we got two guys on the leaderboard that are up 26,000 today. Shut fuck. Hey, look who's in the top 25, though. Hey, look who's in the top 25, boys. Let's go! Who's in the top 25? I'll take it. We're up $10,000 in the Tradeify tournament so far. Top 25 ain't bad. Top 25 ain't bad. You know what I mean? Like, you got to admit, that ain't bad. For a YouTuber who everyone says, you know, everyone's like, Patrick doesn't know how to trade. I'm like, well, you know, hey, okay, whatever, bro, whatever you say, bro. Look at this. I'm number out of 5,000 traders, I'm number 9 right now on the team, no team. Number 9 out of 5,000 traders. That's pretty good. That's a 50K account. We started out with a 50K account. You can only trade 2 minis. Top 25 ain't bad, but it ain't all that either. Hey, David. Hey, David. Go fuck yourself. Fucking loser. Just like, why? Why? Like, what do you get from that? You know what I mean? Like, what do you get, David? Like, Patrick, that's not good. Like, cool, dude. Fuck, now I'm 28. God damn it. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. I'm doing it live on YouTube. I traded last night live on YouTube, and now we're making money again today for free. People are literally watching me free on YouTube right now. For free. For free. People are making money free. What the hell are you doing? Those are hiking boots?
No, I'm not hiking.
What are those boots for? Look like an army girl. Those some scary looking boots. Scary looking boots you got there, girl. Yeah, 9 out of 5,000 traders. That ain't bad. That ain't bad, chat. That ain't bad. That ain't bad, you know what I mean? I wonder if there's any other influencers right now that are up 10,000 on the day. I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find out here. I mean, Nasdaq right now looking like she wants to go lower. We're just like right there at that pivot point now. The only thing about getting short right here, if you get short right here, you just got to worry that it might pop up and do something stupid, hit the VWAP or something. You know, that's like my issue. Influencers can just buy 5 evals for $100 and full port a trade to 10K. Dude, Master Rich, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, literally, what are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? Literally, what are you talking about? Influencers just buy 5 evals for $100 in full port. Okay. Okay, bro. Pat, doesn't the prop firms give you... Guys, what are you talking about? This is we're trading the contest account with 5,000 other people. Or 20,000. I don't know how many fucking people are in it. A lot of people. I'm on the leaderboard. Just let me live my life. Like, name one other YouTuber right now who is live on YouTube and is in the top 50. What do you want? What do you want from me? I am literally doing it. I am showing you that I can trade live. I'm literally doing it live. They're still not happy. No one's ever happy. He's not happy. Your brother is Future's kids? Why the fuck is he on Team Bull? Is your brother retarded? Hey, is your brother, is he Future's kid? He's on Team Bull? He's on TB? On Team Bull, bro? How fucking retarded is that guy? God. No team is still winning. Goodbye. I'm gonna have a great time today. You have a great time today. Give me hugs. Yay. Yay. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Can't see your face. It's so beautiful. No, don't show it. Don't show your face. Later. No, no, it's okay. Oh, God. Oh. I mean, we got wick up here. It's almost 11 o'clock. This is that 11 o'clock candle coming up 5 minutes. So if we look at the hourly chart right now, we got a wick on the bottom of this big hourly candle. We got a wick on that last hourly candle to the top. So we living. We just out here living. This 5 minute candle just looks, it's just like, it's a little scary right here because I feel like this could pop back up here, tap that VWAP before going lower. You know? Is that editor's girlfriend? Editor ain't got no girlfriend. What you talking about? Shit. No, it's one of Victoria's friends. I told her to invite a friend on this trip so that way I don't have to entertain her the whole time. I thought that would be a good thing, you know? Like, what you do is you trick your girlfriend into being like, honey, wouldn't it be so nice? You know, wouldn't it be nice if your friend came with us? And then you could have someone to talk to all day and not have to talk to me? See? I'm fucking genius, boys. I'm a motherfucking genius. I'm a motherfucking genius. Y'all don't even understand how smart I am. Exactly, see? She thought that I was doing it for her, but I did it for myself. Oh, man. PW, do you enter on the 5 minute? Yes. Right now, I'm being careful. Like I said, this is that notorious time, 10:50 to 11 o'clock. You get this kind of like little pushback up, something stupid. Maybe we still go lower, but don't go chasing waterfalls right here, right? Look at this. That's what I was worried about happening. This exact move right now. This pushback up into those EMAs, into the VWAP here. So we just got to be careful. That's about a 30, 40 point pop right through those wicks there. So PW, where you at? We out here, man. We out here, man. We out here living. Burn one for my homies. Gotta burn one for the homies. Zen Zubin. I'm up $640 because of you. You're a genius. Oh, fuck. I don't know if I'd call myself a genius, but I get lucky a few times. Am I in Los Angeles? No, I'm out in the desert. How smart is it to announce your secret girlfriend strategy on stream? I mean, I would tell my girlfriend to her face. I would say, hey, honey, you know, the reason that I told you to bring your friend on the trip was so that I don't have to, you know, entertain you. So it's not like I'm not like, she knows. She's not stupid. You know, like, she's not stupid. She knows. She knows. She knows. She knows. Do you smoke cigars? No. I have not. How many contracts did you trade with the Lucid accounts? I normally trade like 3 to 4 contracts per account. Maybe a little bit more, depends. Nice little rejection there at the 21 EMA. Right? Nice little rejection there. So let's see what happens if we, you know, start to move back down here now. Getting tight either way. I think you basically want to see we got to get through this 72 level. We got a pivot point right there at the 56s. ES is kind of grinding back up here now. I don't know. We made a lot of money today really easily, so I like you, dude. You're right. You're all right after all. Well, I mean, I don't know why anyone wouldn't like me. Are you renting Airbnb? Nah, man. I own everything. I never rent nothing. Yes, this is an Airbnb. I live in Florida. We're in California, so it would be kind of silly for me to buy a house for 1 week. I don't know why it's... People are like confused. They're like, but you're so poor. You got an Airbnb. I'm like, well, what else should I get? What else should I get? You know, most rich people don't own their houses, right? Y'all know that, right? Do people know that? Like, most rich people don't own their house. They rent houses. Are the Lucid 50K tests worth it? I mean, maybe. Do you have advice with someone struggling copy trading while being very good at trading one count at once? I don't know. What are you struggling with? Did you fix your engine on the Lambo? Saw it on the second Ave at the shop last week. I don't think you did. Wasn't my Lambo. I sold my Lambo. All right, so obviously the trend is still our friend. Nasdaq looking weak here. Can we move down? I'm going to try a short right here, maybe even add into it a little bit. Or just let it ride right down there to the 60s. Just get a nice little dumpity dump here. Try that maybe. Get a little quick little up. Oh, give me 10 points. Give me a little 10-pointer. A little 10-pointer, just adding on to the bag right now, you know, just adding on to the bag. Wrong. Most poor people, most rich people, most people rich own and control real estate. Most poor people buy cars. Hey, no limit trader, I got a question for you. I got a question for you, my friend. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Just wondering, you know, like, just throw a number out there. What would be like, you know, how much money do you have? Devaluating assets versus appreciation. Okay, so, what have I bought that is devaluating? Do you want to give me some examples? Would it be the $390,000 McLaren that I bought last year that is now for sale for $550? Would that be devaluating? Is that devaluating? dude, if I pay $390 for it, but now I got an offer for $460, but I have it for sale for $550, is that devaluating? Is that devaluating? Devaluating? Is it devaluating? Is it devaluating? Oh, I like when poor people tell me how I should live my life. You know, I do enjoy that. Because, you know, everyone should take advice from poor people, right? But Patrick, rich people, they buy houses. Patrick, rich people, guys, I make $1 million a month. I make $1 million a month. That's $12 million a year. I am so fucking rich that nobody can tell me how to live my life. There's not very many people, think about it like this, there's not very many people out there who have $1 million cash every month coming in. So I have to live a little differently, right? I gotta live differently. I can't be living like everybody else. There's no point in me owning a house. 0 point. Zero point. I'm too cash rich. Cars are liabilities carrying debt. Bro, they're not every car that I own has only gone up in value. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? They're not liabilities, you idiot. God. I have a 401k. I've got a fucking cash balance account. I've got other investments. I've got other long-term investments. I own other businesses. Don't you worry about me, little buddy. Daddy's rich. Daddy's rich. Yes, if you buy a Honda Civic, that might be a liability. But if you buy a McLaren 765, Patrick, do you think there's any merit in trading a Roth IRA account? Maybe. I don't know. I think probably for your retirement account, the best thing to do is just fucking buy stocks and hold them for a long time. It's hard to time the tops and the bottoms, you know? Where is D-Money? D-Money is in Florida. I'm in California. So that's where D-Money is. He's not here. He'll be live later on for the D-Money show. The D-Money show will be live this afternoon at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. All right, so the Nasdaq is kind of holding up here for now. The ES is kind of pushing back up as well, so. Yeah, I like the argument in the chat. Talking about liabilities. I mean, I put my whole entire retirement into Apple. So I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea, but right now it's up like 40%. So that's pretty good, I think. Oh man, it's pulling back. Apple's down big on the day. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I'm going broke. Never mind. I'm going broke, chat. I got long on Apple back there in, what was it? Here in August, I believe, or yeah, August. My average on Apple is like 205 or something. Apple's up there 267 now. All right, NQ, what you gonna do? Just stuck here at the 70s. The daily chart not looking too hot right now. Hourly chart just kind of holding on. We have not kind of broken to the downside. Well, we haven't We haven't touched the gap fill yet. I mean, it looks like it wants to roll, right? I mean, kind of the vibe that it's given out, I feel like. But just kind of holding up there for now. Just holding up there for now, going sideways into the lunch hour here. I'd say if we get back below this pivot point, 50 area, get back below the 56s, we could try to get that move down there through the 26,000 there next, but kind of need these candles to look a little bit more bearish. They're kind of just holding right there now. Could just keep chopping around here for a minute. They don't know which way it wants to go. They don't know which way it wants to go. I'm holding there now, huh? Kind of pumping back up for now. Just needs to get stuck here, stay below that 100 level, and start to get some more rejections to get denied there. So watching. I think maybe short here, right? Short here, and then just put a stop up here and let this thing ride on down. Maybe through this lows down there. I like that. That's my play. Thought it was going to be a bathroom dump. Still just holding up there. Got 35 seconds on this 5-minute candle before close. A little bit of pop back up. I'm going to try one. I'm going to add into this. Stop up there at the hundreds, basically. 117 area. See what happens right now. Nasdaq's just kind of holding up there, huh? Need it below that 80 level, basically. Come on, little Nasdaq, get down through that 77th. Did you go long or short? I'm short. We are short right now. 40 contracts, short. Might not be a good idea, but we're going to find out. All we can do is just trade what we see, make a little bit of money. All right, all right. Ba-da-da-da. What did I see to go short? Well, basically we're stuck there below the 80s where the overall trend is down. So that 15-minute chart looking like she wants to go. We just need to get basically through that 50 area. Then I think we're good for these shorts down. So I think risk to reward's pretty good is why I liked it as well. But right now, just that 15-minute candle, wick, wick, wick. Wick, 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 wicking. It's a battle. Still holding there, man. Nasdaq's holding. Oh, Lord. Tight range, tight range. All right, there's that little pushback up here now. I'm going to add into this again. As long as we're staying below that, basically below the VWAP there, I'm just going to add into this short. Oh, come on, InQ. J Bro said that was a bad idea. I mean, it is what it is, my friend. Trust me, I've had plenty of bad ideas and I've still survived. This is a reversal, Pat. Get out now. Ugh. Maybe, maybe not. Any active trade? No. No active trades. We don't, no trades. No trades ever here. We're definitely no active trades today. Just, yeah, no, definitely not. No. Whatever you do, don't trade. No active trades. I mean, the way I look at it is I think there's great risk to reward. If it doesn't sell down, it don't sell down. Whatever. We made money, and now we're looking to make some more money. $110, $120 by noon. I don't know, Chris Moore. Why the fuck? Ask yourself. Why are you asking me? I'm short. I hope it don't go to 120. Fucking idiot. God. Patrick, is it going to go to 120 by noon? I hope not. I really fucking hope not. I really fucking hope not, Chris. Oh, man. I definitely don't like it, but gonna just stick into it now. Stick into it. We're sticking into it. Pat, it's a guarantee the market will go up. Oh, God. All right, I'm out. All right, I'm all in long because it's guaranteed to go up, Chad. Don't worry. I told you it's going to work. Every time, it works every time. Guaranteed. Adding into this pump now. Don't worry, chat. Everyone in the chat said the market was guaranteed to go up. So we're gonna be long for the pump higher.
Dude, no way. No way. No way, chat. It pulled back. Never mind. It wouldn't go up. Fucking A, man. Y'all fucked me again. This is why I don't listen to the chat. Because, as you see, the market went back down. I could have stayed short. Could have stayed short. Could have made money. But no. No, the chat said it's going to go up, Patrick. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. What happened? Why is the chat always so good at trading? Why is the chat always so good at trading, man? I don't even understand it. Chat be so good at trading sometimes. You can't, like, you literally, like, it's hilarious sometimes, honestly. You gotta laugh, honestly, at the chat. The chat, man. Don't worry, chat. Daddy's gonna be okay. How the fuck y'all that bad? How the fuck y'all be that bad? What happened, chat? What happened? Why did you say it was only gonna go up, but it went down? What happened? Why did everybody tell me to go fucking long? It went down again. You can't make this shit up, man. What happened, chat? What happened, chat? What happened? Chat, what happened? Did we go? Did it go? Chat. Chat. Chat, did it go lower? I can't believe it went lower, man. It's crazy. Down there to the 50s now, 47, still going lower. Let's see if we get down there to the 26,000 now. All right, right there at that pivot point, bouncing around here, looking for this continuation to the downside. We have not filled the gap all the way. 26,000 area on the Nasdaq possible. Start dumping through the 50s here. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Red Bull. Tastes good. All right, so you can see we pushed up there into those EMAs, starting to sell back down now. Looking to see if we can't get down there to that dotted line. The dotted line is 26,000. 26,000. So get down there, make it rain on them hoes. Just need to get down, Junior. Right there at that pivot point now. We had a little break to the downside here. We should try to make new lows here today. Going into the 12 o'clock hour, 11:30 right now. $15-minute chart as well kind of showed that idea, right, of that pullback or getting stuck there at the 80, 100 level. Right where I was looking for my big shorts. Am I looking for a reversal? No, I'm looking for a continuation to the downside. Back up here to the 70s again. Just needs to roll. Why am I looking for continuation? I don't know, because, well, it's holding up there. Well, little rip right back up again. Fucking A. The chop is real. Probably just gonna chop around here now. Fucking A. ES push up there to the VWAP to the pivot point as well. Tricky. And now we just enter the chop phase. Chop city here.
the pivot points. Staying below the 80s again there. We just need that. We need this just whee to the downside. We start selling, this thing's gonna speed up and then down there below 26,000 real quickly. So be careful. It's kind of just like they gotta stay below this 21 there, the 90 level now for the bears. Stay below it. God, they're gonna really just play fucking retard, aren't they? They gotta make it as hard as possible here. They gotta make it as hard as possible, chat. One hour candle. We got a wick on the bottom, wick on the top. We push back up there a little bit into that previous body, but this needs to go. If we can just roll over here. Hi, boo. If I eat a soap, no, I didn't. Because I did, no, I didn't. What does that mean? Nasdaq just holding up here, man. Just holding up. Nasdaq going nowhere. All right, Nasdaq just holding. Something's gonna happen. Shit will dump. I hope so. I really hope so. I really, really hope so. The good thing is I'm about to go out in the desert and do some racing. About to go racing in the desert. I'm ready, boys. I'm ready. I'm ready. Do. I'm gonna go race trophy trucks. We're going trophy truck racing. Warbucks. Well, it's going nowhere. It's going nowhere. It's going nowhere. Going nowhere quickly. Nasdaq stuck here, going nowhere. Yeah, there's a little thing that goes in there. You get a vent that goes onto the helmet, and that way it pumps air into the helmet. It pumps air into the helmet, so that way it keeps the dust out of your helmet. Is kind of the process. That little vent there. Warbucks will be coming soon. Market's going nowhere. I truly think this is going to sell. Your hair looks flat better to the straight, like this. Like that. I think it looks better like this. Patrick, are you still short? Yes, I'm still short. I'm short until we break above 26,100. Swell line overload, currently up $4,000 in his take profit trader accounts. Fuck yeah, boy. Fuck yeah, boy. All right, back down there to that pivot point again. Can we get through the pivot point now? That's what I want to know. She's trying. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Oh, consolidation. Why does it got to do this? Like, why? Why can't it just go lower? You know, like, just do it for me, for fun, you know? Like, the fuck, man? Just go lower. Just go fucking lower already. Just go lower. Just holding up there, going sideways, basically. They holding that pivot point, 55 pivot point down there, so. Still stuck there at the EMAs. Just getting real tight here. We're going to get a break one way or the other, left or up or down. We're going to find out. ES back up to the pivot point and the VWAP there. By using D-Money's 14 and 50 EMA in this 5-minute candle closing, wouldn't it be theory for it to go up? I mean, maybe, but yeah, I don't know. Been going sideways here for over an hour now, so just how it's gonna be, I guess. A little pump back up again to the 90s. Got the VWAP on the Nasdaq up there, 26,000, like 120 area. It's kind of giving those vibes, huh? A little squeeze vibe. Little squeezy vibes.
Well, little pump back up there above the hundreds again. There we go, back towards the VWAP now. ES pumped back up, Nasdaq pumped back up. Where I'm at California. I'm at California. Hi, hello, nice to see you. Long time no see. One hour candle did flip kind of green here, pushing back up. But if you see on Friday, kind of a similar setup, right? I guess the 11 o'clock candle made the damage, but we had a green candle, pushed all the way back up, and then we gave up that whole move, so. Back up with vengeance now. Huh. See, I feel like this is gonna just kind of play out like it did on Friday, kind of that pump, and then we kind of turn back down right now, but I guess we did consolidate here a little longer. This is where we bounced on Friday as well, so. There's the VWAP again. Got denied right there at the VWAP. Short at the VWAP, huh? Did everybody get short at the VWAP? ES got denied as well, and there's a 12 o'clock candle now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Someone said this can still dump. We're right back down there on the hourly chart. I mean, it's kind of giving that vibe. The right shoulder forming. Let's see it. 30-minute chart. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-bum. I mean, it's kind of just giving that vibe, going back down vibe. I don't know, man. There's that kind of 5-minute candle breaking back to the downside. Can you take me lower? Just sitting there, stuck at the 80s. By the way, we've got D-Money live later on from the BDH at 1:30 for Power Hour, end of day. So if you want more BDH, check it out. 1:30 p.m. Eastern from the live at the BDH. I mean, the longer that we consolidate here, the better the chance that if we do get that down move, it's just going to be a better move there. But I'm just stuck here for now. BDH Brazil love. I love Brazil. Trapping VWAP shorts. Maybe. Maybe not. You never know. You never know. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just kind of holding on. Holding on here. Just holding on. What am I looking at? I mean, I was looking at this Nasdaq being a short, but clearly it ain't shorting right now. Pumping back up there to the VWAP again. 5-minute chart. If we get above the VWAP, maybe we push back up to the bottom of that 15-minute range. Maybe. I don't know. They're playing hard to get, that's for sure. All right, Nasdaq back up there to the VWAP again. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. I got to get ready to go and race some trophy trucks. I got to go. Got to go. All right, well, Nasdaq going nowhere here, so time to walk away, come back to fight another day. So money, 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 money. What a silly looking chart. Silly, silly, silly. Right there at the VWAP, just stuck now. So there it is. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I will see you all tomorrow morning. I got to get out of here. Going to go out in the desert and race around in some trophy trucks for the rest of the day. So if you enjoy the stream, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East.